Hey y'all, so it has been, I don't know how long since your girl has got on here and did a whole tutorial for you guys, but I am super excited. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you see, because I know you liking what you see. Everything does not on me. Nah, but I am so excited to be back, you guys, and back in action and back doing my makeup tutorials, okay? Because I heard y'all been missing your girl. I heard y'all been really missing your girl on this channel, okay? So I just wanted to come on back. We're not gonna make this too long, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do too long, we ain't gonna do too much. I haven't did makeup on myself in a while, and I also have not did a makeup tutorial in a while. Okay, so today, you guys, I will be having some products that I have been having. I will be using like some eyeshadows and stuff that I had already been having or whatever. And then also, y'all, my man's, you know, he hooked your girl up. Like, he just know what your girl like. He know what your girl like, okay? And this is my previous setting powder. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna setting powder in banana. And I like the setting powder. I just feel like I have to mix it because it's not all the way my shade for me. But he bought me this hazelnut. Now, I don't know who told him all of these products. I don't know who told him what's my shade, because he watched little clips of my videos, but he don't just know the products like that. So for him to just come and bring me this big Sephora box with Fenty Beauty in there and it's all my shade, he knows something about something. So you guys, I have all the boxes. These are the boxes. I just went ahead and just like unboxed everything or whatever. And this is the Fenty Beauty What It Do refreshing spray right here. If you guys have not seen this on other people's channels or just don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like right here. Some of these products y'all probably already seen me use, but he got me some more, so your girl has read up. Another product that I have had before is the Fenty Beauty in 420. Now, I have this in 420, or I had it in 420. I don't have it anymore because I used it all. Also, I have the Pro Filter Soft Matte Retouch Primer. This is it right here. I have the primer, got the foundation, the setting spray. This is a previous product that I already had from them. It is a Matchstick Trio in caramel, rum, and truffle. I also have some lippies here, some gloss bombs. Okay, to be honest with you guys, I have not been wearing any makeup on my face or anything. I just been wearing my gloss bombs and my lip glosses from Tequila Cosmetics. Like, that's been my go-to. And of course, you know, your girl love her Vaseline on deck. Okay, we have quite a bit of things we're gonna get into today. I'm still debating if I'm gonna make this a talk through video, because you know your girl can talk. But it might not be a talk through video. It might be, might not be, might be. But yeah, if you guys want to see me get into these products, see the glam, if you really give a now. Okay, you guys, so I have the Fenty Beauty products that I just showed you guys that I will be probably using today. Ain't no probably, I'm going to be using those products today, mainly those products, so that's why I mainly showed y'all those. I also want to go ahead and show y'all some of these lashes from the Lash house. Okay, don't even play with it. Like, y'all probably seen them previously on my channel, because your girl really messes with it. I also got some more right here. I also have more, so I'm going to be getting into those. So I just showed y'all a couple of products that I'm going to be using, you guys. Let's get right into the video for real this time. Hey y'all, so I'm going to be starting off with this e.l.f. pencil. It is their brow pencil. I'm just going to be brushing out those brows. Now, I did go ahead and put like a little bit of brow gel on there. I also used the e.l.f. brow gel as well. I did not show you guys that. Another alternate that I like to use is the what's that called, the what is that? I forgot what that stuff called, but it's in a little black tube. And oh yeah, the Got to Be glue. I like to go in with like a little tiny bit of that, like, and just put it on there and brush it out. Now I went ahead and just filled the brows in. I really didn't care about how I did these brows. I really just trying to get this over with or whatever, but I will do a in-depth brow tutorial where I'm like really showing y'all how I really snatched the brows, because right here I was just trying to really get it over with, because your girl haven't been doing her makeup on herself in a while, so I just knew them brows weren't gonna act correct the way they needed to be acting. I'm going in with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in deep and also tan sand. Okay, so that's what you're going to be seeing me use. I use the brighter one, which is tan sand, underneath, and I use deep on top. So I like to just do like 3 little strokes in the front just to like give it like that ombre. I let it like dry a little bit, and then I just brush it into the brow area. I went ahead and used that same tan sand and just brought it down to prime my lids with it. I'm not going to use any type of powder to like set my lids because I want my colors to pop more, but this is what it's looking like. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette, and I'm just going to be taking those 2 shades and just using them as my transition. I'm going in with the lighter brown shade, and then I will be going back in with that same palette and taking that burnt orange type shade to put it more into the crease area to give it a more depth type of look. Okay. So you guys, I'm going back into that palette. I'm taking this shimmer pink shade. It's like a light shimmer shade. I'm just going to be putting it all over the lid area. And then I'm going to be blending out the edges with them same 2 shades that we used for the transition. And that's just what we're doing here, okay? We're not doing too much. That's the eye look. I'm going in with some of that Wet n Wild liner. Y'all know that's my favorite thing right here, this mega liner in black, and I'm just going to do like a thin wing liner and just do it on both eyes. Okay, y'all, the key to all of this is just to make sure you blend in everything. I know right now I have like the concealer still showing or whatever like that, but the key to it all is to make sure you blend it on out. And normally I blend it out better than this, but y'all, I was in a rush. Okay, it was late, I was in a rush, I wanted to get a video out, and yeah, I just needed to do some content because I was in a content type mood. But your girl wasn't trying to take too long on the content, okay? Going in with this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 12. And I'm just going to go ahead and just line out that liner, clean it up a bit, and just make it look more sharper, more neater, more cleaner. And then I'm going to go in with that same brush that I used to blend out my other concealers. And I'm going to blend out this concealer as well. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. I went ahead and just blended out that concealer that we just used to clean up the liner, and I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Beauty primer. Okay, now what I will say about this primer, it is definitely hydrating. Like me, I went ahead and moisturized my face area before, like, yeah, I didn't even show y'all, but I moisturized right before I went ahead and put this Fenty Beauty on, y'all. And that is what I might say, unless you have dry skin, do not do that before. Okay, like, I already, like, you know what I'm saying, I got dry skin sometimes in the winter time, but clearly it's not winter. Okay, going in with the foundation, I'm in the shade 420. I'm blending everything on out. Blend, 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 y'all. I mean, blend till you can't no more, okay? Because I had went ahead and just swiped it on there. Normally I don't do that because it creates too many streaks. I'm not into the swipey swipe. So yeah, I just went ahead and just got my brush and just started blending everything on out. And we just definitely have to make sure we blend everything on out, okay? Going in with the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. And I'm just going to go ahead and take like that. I only did one coat because this look coming right on off. Y'all ain't trying to, you know. Yeah. Okay. So I went ahead and did one coat on both eyes. And I'm going in with these BADDIE lashes from BADDIE Lash House. You guys, I will link it down below for you guys that want to check it out. And also up on the screen. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. They got so many different styles. Like more than the styles that I just showed y'all in the previous clip. Like they have a lot of different styles. I'm pretty sure if you are a person that wear lashes, you will find you some that you like, period. So you guys, I'm going ahead and with that duo lash glue and I'm putting them on, and this is definitely what it's looking like, what it's giving, because it's definitely giving it, okay? It's giving BADDIE for sure, okay? So yeah, like I was saying, I really like that primer, you guys. I just feel like it kind of made me a little oily because I went ahead right before that and you know, put that moisturizer on. So normally I like to just moisturize my face before I do everything, like anything type of makeup on my face. I like to go moisturize first, so then it won't interfere with the primer and everything. But you know, it all worked out. As y'all can tell, I went ahead and with that Fenty Beauty concealer, and I'm not sure of the shade number, but I will leave it down below. And then I'm going in with that refreshing spray, and I'm just going to be spraying my beauty blender, and then I'm just going to be going ahead and blending everything on out. And y'all, this concealer is so nice. Like it just blended out super easy. Ain't no harsh blending, ain't no banging your face so hard to blend, none of that. It ain't dry out. It just simply, you know what I'm saying, did what it needed to do. And I just went ahead and speed through that because your girl ain't finna be showing y'all all them ugly faces, okay? But I went ahead and just, you know, I like a little brighter highlight in that corner. So I went ahead in with that Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Tan Sand and just went ahead and blended it on out, man, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with this hazelnut. Now, what I noticed about this hazelnut, baby, that hazelnut powder, you can literally, this right here, okay, this right here, you can literally put this all over your face. If you about my skin tone, you can literally put this all over your face. You getting oily in the area, you can put that all over your face, like, and it can blend out. Like you don't even need no powder. And I'm not playing. And that's one step that you gonna see your girl not even do. Like I didn't even go back in with no finishing powder. Like I literally just used this because I was like, I know I'm forgetting something, but my face don't look like it need nothing else, you know what I'm saying? So that's one thing I noticed when I was watching this video. Like I ain't have to use no finishing powder. I got so confused with using this setting powder. It just did what it needed to do. You didn't even have to go back in with no finishing powder. So that's one thing that I love about that, okay? Now, the other one, I definitely needed to use some finishing powder because it wasn't my shade like that, okay? But, as y'all know, I love this Morphe 24G palette. I love that dark brown shade, so I can go ahead and just do me like a little light contour. You know, your girl don't like to do too much, be looking crazy. So, this is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. We're just going to go ahead and snatch that cheek up because your girl have been, you know, face getting a little chubby right there. Girl been eating, okay? But your girl is back in the workouts, so don't ever play with it, okay? Nah, but we just gonna go ahead and you know, get that nose snatched, get them cheeks snatched, trim their forehead down because it's big as hell. Nah, I like my big forehead. Shout out to them big forehead girls. Y'all already know the deal, you know the drill. And then I'm just going to be still contouring that nose. And then we're going to go in with a butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And I'm just going to go over that contour. You know, it kind of helps blend out that contour so that contour won't be looking all dark and crazy. So, yeah, this definitely does the job. Going back in with this 24G palette, I'm taking that pink shade, going right underneath the lower lash line, and just blending it out right on there. Taking this Matchstick Trio, I'm going in with the shade. I believe this is in the shade, I don't know, I'm gonna leave it down below, okay? And then I just went ahead and just blended that out on my nose, going in with a second highlighter after I blend it. And y'all, when I tell y'all I love this highlighter from Dubs Cosmetics, I love it, okay? I'm not even capping. Like, it just gives it You know, I could have used this one instead of the Fenty, but the Fenty was definitely needed when you're using the Fenty on the face. Like, why not? And this just really enhanced everything else. But you know, that Fenty is very natural. You can literally get this same kind of glow, but this glow here, baby, I love it. You know what I'm saying? Black owned, love it, period. Okay, shout out to them, because it just will make your skin look like I just like fresh skin, wash my face and oiled it, ain't nothing on it, baby. Like, that's what this is giving. So I'm wiping that Vaseline off my lips, because y'all know I started with that. Going in with this Ruby Kisses Auto Liquid, I think it's the Auto Lip Liner or something, in chocolate or brown. I'll leave it down below. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just carve out them lips, shape out them lips. And I'm a person that likes to overline because my lips big, so I go over my lips. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be lining out those lips, and then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss and Glass Slipper and just literally put that up on them lips. Y'all finna see your girl do what she do. And then, you know, yeah, what about it? Nah, but we're just gonna go ahead and put that on there and everything like that. Moving along now, going in with the refreshing spray. I'm just gonna set my face with this. Okay, now, you know, dry it up a little bit with the fan. And then, yeah, you guys, I hope y'all like this. This is the complete look. Don't play with it. Very simple, easy, quick, to the point. What about it? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. We'll also be uploading pictures on my social networks. You already know the deal. You know the drill if you've been here before. If you have not been here before and you would love to join the team, join the squad, all that, you know, click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. Like I said, I will be uploading pictures on my social networks outside of YouTube if you guys would like to see the look with the look. Make sure you guys scroll on down to the description box and check out my social networks to connect with me outside of YouTube, you guys. Yeah, I am so happy about how this look came out. I don't want to ramble too much, but I really do like the way this look came out, okay? It's very simple, very easy, it was super quick, and I'm just loving it. I am so happy to be back. If you are new and returning, I thank you so much for subscribing, staying up to date with your girl, watching this video, checking out all my other videos, and just being here for your girl, supporting me. I really appreciate you, like, seriously. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, you guys. I will be back with another one. See y'all in the next one.